Hi, this is Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can share your lecture videos with students on Flipgrid. In this video, I have taken one special case study of engineering college in Punjab in India. So let us see how we can share the lecture videos with students on Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a social learning tool by Microsoft and it is completely free for educators and learners across 180 countries as they experience the magic of student voice. So you can sign up as an educator sign up, it's totally free. When learners reflect upon, discuss and showcase what they are learning, making, reading, solving, experiencing and playing, it is always better together. In Flipgrid, you will came to know about the grid. A grid is for your students, your personal learning community. You can have your co-educators in your community and it can be staff, school or anyone. It can be your family learning community so that you are going to share some videos with your family members also. So apart from the educational activities, you can have n number of activity for your personal learning community as well. So you will create a grid in Flipgrid for all these things. And under a grid, there is an option that is topics. So topics are discussion prompts, themes or challenges for your grid community. This means if you are an educator, you will create a grid with a subject name and under that subject name you can add different topics and in that topics you can add your video lectures. So let us explore how engineering college in Punjab, that is Indo global group of colleges, made the use of Flipgrid for sharing the video lectures with their students. So let us go to flipgrid.com and here we have to click on the login button. So this is the login where we can find the grid created by that college so that we can see the video lectures. So here is a grid name, that is Indo global group of colleges. So you can name the grid per your college or your community or your school or any of your NGO, society, anything. So under that grid, that is my grid, that is Indo global group of colleges, we have created a topic that is remote learning. So here you can see that they have uploaded 85 videos having 734 views from the students or educators or any learning community, and they have 70.8 hours of shared learning. This means all the educators and students took 70.8 hours on this particular topic to watch the videos. So you can also see that whether your learning community is watching your video tutorials or no, and you can also export the data and with the share button you can share with anyone in your learning community. So let us click on the remote learning topic. So here you can see the description that welcome to the initiative of Indo global group of colleges for remote learning, and tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera. So here we can see all the videos shared by all the educators. These all are the video lectures on various topics that are uploaded on Flipgrid under the grid under the topic name, that is remote learning, and the link for the same is shared with all the students so that they can watch the video lectures of their faculty by sitting in their homes. So here you can see that there is a button hidden. This means this video is not visible to students. So this is the special feature of Flipgrid, that you can make the videos moderated so that first you can watch the videos. If it is okay, then you can make it active so that it will be visible to all the students who have link for this video. For example, we can play any video here. So any student or learning community having this link can click on the video and video will be played.
For this. After this,
So here you
all the
can see
logical
that
equations are
there is a
specified
grading rubric.
for the execution of
So
the desired
before
action.
explaining to them, let me explain
So
that
all the
why
statements are defined
this
after
is
this
a
initial
white
declaration
screen in this
of the
video.
architecture.
It is a feature inside the Flipgrid. If you don't want to show your face in the video but you want to submit the lecture to the students. So this can also be done. You can select the white screen as well. So let us see the another video shared by one of the faculty. So you can see here that online TNP lecture series part 5 by Miss Abhilasha, that is Training and Placement Office. So let us play this video. So here you can see that she has just opened the Flipgrid camera and recorded the video and then uploaded on Grid. So here you can give the rubrics, that is the score on the idea and the performance. You can also give the comments so that it will be received by the respective educator. So again, there is another method of delivering the lecture. If you are having a whiteboard in your home, being an educator, you can record your lecture using that whiteboard as well. If your students are more comfortable with that kind of teaching learning, then you can use the whiteboard, or you can use a paper pen as well. So this totally depend on you. So in this video you can see that this educator has used a whiteboard to deliver the lecture for their students. So in this way you can put all your video lectures of your educators and then share the link with students. So you can also share the link to the whole videos to the student, or you can use the share button to share particularly this video with your students. So if you want to see that this video will be seen by your this department, so you can share the link by clicking on this button, or you can share all the videos with all your students. So in this way this college has used Flipgrid tool, and in this way you don't have to purchase any website, or you don't have to create any domain or hosting things. So you can have your account on flipgrid.com and you can upload all your video lectures and then can engage the students in your remote learning initiative. So here you can also see that there is a views per video. So you can see that if you're having a 10 students in your group, so if the 10 views has came, so you can also analyze the data from here that whether your students are watching your tutorials or not. So this is, I think, the best way you can make the use of Flipgrid in this remote learning initiatives under lockdown period, so that your students can see you, can listen your video lectures, can watch you delivering the lectures by sitting in their homes. So thank you so much.